Welcome to the version of CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the right side with your fingers, this blue dot. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button on the left side of your phone, then click here to the settings icon, and now we can see here the full volume panels. And just to unmute your device ringtone, you should also hold and swipe to the right side this dot, and then just tap here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.